can be so precisely described that the machines can be made to stimulate it. Okay, this arises philosophical argument about the mind and the ethics of creating artificial being endowed with the human-like intelligence. Okay, this created like if it goes against humanity, what will happen? There were philosophical arguments about it. Okay, these issues have been explored, myths, fiction. Like you have seen a lot of movies, Matrix, Space Odyssey, artificial intelligence. All those movies are based Terminator and all. They are talking about that robots will take over and everything, but there are different deep very beautiful concepts of AI. It is solving real problems which were not solved earlier. Like if you talk about healthcare, it is going to solve all the, it will proactively tell you in 30 years, before 30 years, that what diseases you will have, what food patterns you need to have. It will precisely tell you what is your data right now, and like it will precisely cure the disease proactively.